If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, there's something important you should know. Most people sign up through the main website and get a 14-day free trial. But there's another option that gives you 30 days instead. So what's the difference? Let's keep it simple. The standard 14-day trial gives you full access to GoHighLevel. You can use the CRM, funnels, email marketing, SMS, automations, calendars, and everything else. The 30-day trial gives you the same access. The biggest difference is the amount of time you get. With the Bootcamp offer, you get 30 days instead of 14. And trust me, that extra time helps. GoHighLevel is a powerful platform, but it takes time to set things up properly. Most people need more than 2 weeks to build funnels, create automations, connect domains, and learn how everything works. But that's not the only difference. With the Bootcamp offer, you also get live coaching sessions. So instead of trying to figure everything out by yourself, you can learn directly from the GoHighLevel team. You also get extra resources like lead generation playbooks, ready-made snapshots, funnel templates, business growth resources. These can save you a lot of time when you're getting started. So which one would I choose? Of course, I'd go with the 30-day Bootcamp trial. You get more time, live coaching, and extra resources. And it doesn't cost anything extra. If you want the 30-day trial, check the link in the description below. And if you'd like a full breakdown of the Bootcamp and everything included, watch my GoHighLevel Bootcamp review video next. I'll put it on the end screen. Thanks for watching.